Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller from PA Creative. Welcome to the Divi Paving child theme. So in this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of what it is, what it looks like, and how you can use it. And we're also going to show you how to install it, import all the demo content, things like that. All right, let's get started.
All right, so I'm going to quickly show you what the Divi Paving child theme and layout pack is and what it looks like here. So here's the home page. You can see we have a lot of customizations here, a very custom gallery here, and this is all using Divi modules and some extra code, which by the way, we have fully commented. Every single class is commented in the code. We have some custom blog feeds going on here. We have a lot of in fact, here we have some of our custom icons. We have 16 handmade custom icons that were made by me. We have a custom footer and we have privacy and terms. Let's go back to the top. We have special drop down styling here. I have a point on top here and all the sub menu here is custom. So here we are on the services page. We have some blurbs here highlighting certain features. We have 6 more of the custom icons. We have some square aspect ratio images. Here we have more of the opt-in and the footer. Also, each one of the individual services has a page like this, and it has a menu here, a customized menu that is, automatically highlighting the current page in one of the services pages here. The projects page has a customized portfolio. It's a filterable portfolio, and we have that styled as well with some custom coding. And then over on one of the actual project pages, we have lots of different features here that make this unique and stand out. And we included the gallery here again and a call to action. Over on the About page, we have a bunch of different sections. We have a section called Meet Our Team with some hover effects. We have reasons for our success. Here you can see more of our icons. Here we have another section, why we're the smart choice, and some local partners, things like that. Here on the blog page, we have multiple different layouts. In fact, here we have sidebar with a right grid, sidebar on the right with full width layout here. And we have a sidebar with a left grid, sidebar on the left full width, no sidebar grid, and we also have a category and tag page that's built with the theme builder. Here on the blog pages though, we have like a sidebar, and then we have the categories, the tags, and we also have the latest projects showing up right here. Again, so this is a page that's a category or also a tag, so this will automatically update based on whatever category or tag is selected. We also have a page dedicated to testimonials and a couple different styles of that. We also have an FAQ page here with a bunch of drop downs and toggles and things like that. We even have a couple different forms that are already pre-built here. This one's called Request a Quote, and there's even a different one for the contact page. And a lot of this stuff is built with a theme builder. We have a custom header up here, as you can see, and a footer, and of course all the categories and project categories, things like that, built with the theme builder. Overall, we have 18 different content layouts, and of course we have full theme builder compatibility. We have unique styling. All our code is commented. We have custom animations. We have designed this for mobile. All the design is consistent, and you can quickly change any style that you want. I'm going to show you next how to install it. If you want to look around more, feel free to look over at the demo in the links down below. I'm going to show you how to install this in just one click. It's very easy. Let's make sure that we have the Divi theme installed, but not just installed, but also let's have it active. Let's go here to our themes, and we have Divi here. Let's go ahead and activate that. All right, so next we need to just go up here under themes and click on add new. And if you already should have downloaded this from the marketplace where you purchased the theme, let's go here to appearance and themes. Now, if you were installing the layout pack, you would do the same thing, but you would want to go down here to plugins and add new. The layout pack is installed as a plugin. The child theme is installed as a theme. So both of these cases, we want to click on add new and then click on upload. So let's go here and find our file. Once you select the file, click on install now, and then wait till it uploads, and then we'll start installing our demo content. All right, so once that installs, we want to click on activate because before Divi was active, and now we want to make the Divi Paving child theme, or if you were doing the layout pack, we want to make that active. So you can see here, that's my active theme. Also, you'll see over here in the menu, something showed up called Divi Paving. So we want to go over there, hover over Divi Paving, and click on Easy Demo Import. And that's going to bring up different options for what we want to import. By default, everything is selected here. That's including the posts, the media, the CSS, the menus, homepage set, the widgets, Divi theme options, and the theme builder data. It's also installing and activating any recommended plugins. So depending on if your site already has anything that you want to keep, like a menu layout or something like that, you would want to check or unselect things here. We always recommend installing our child themes and layout packs on a fresh installation of WordPress. So in that case, you'd want to have all these selected, and we'll click on import demo content. Basically, that brings up another screen where it's going to be showing you what it's actively doing. It's saying, the plugins installed, the plugins activated. Right now it's importing media files. Now it's importing, categories and taxonomies, pages and posts. It's going to be setting the home page to, the correct one. Then it's also importing the Divi theme settings, the customizer options, the theme builder data, and any CSS. It's going to be setting our menus and importing the widgets. So this shouldn't take too long, depending on your server or internet speed. Once that's all done, we do have a special option that's going to pop up here. And that says you want to remove demo content and import functions. Well, we really don't want to remove the demo content, but what it's saying is, do you want to remove the functionality that imported that? But first, let's go take a look at our website. So we're clicking on opening a new tab, and we're going to look at our website. I'll close our demo, and let's see what our sample website here looks like after the demo was imported. All right, and here we are. Everything imported just fine. If you ever do have any problems here, make sure you kind of clear your cache and things like that, because we have just thrown an entire website up in one click. So there was a lot that just happened. It's really cool how this works. If you have any questions, let us know. One thing to note is that there are no images. That's because by law, we're not allowed to include them by the license. And so they're just placeholder images that get installed. And that's exactly what we want to happen, because we want you to use your images. So yeah, this is perfect for any type of contractor website, construction or industrial, blacktop, seal coating, things like that. And let's not forget, we also have some freebies. We have the 16 custom icons, and we have a PDF style guide. And don't forget to join us over in the Divi Teacher.
Okay, so that's an overview of the Divi Paving child theme. Be sure to check out the demos, in our documentation, and of course, let us know if you have any questions. All right, well, we sure hope that you enjoy using Divi Paving and all of our products on your new Divi websites.